VEO3 is a popular and in-demand AI tool for video makers these days. So, what is VEO3? Most AI tools we come across can only create videos. But we have to find and add the audio we need separately. But this VEO3 model, released by Google, generates both video and audio. This includes voice, environmental sound effects, etc. All we need is to provide a good prompt. We are given a beautiful video with sound. So, AI videos have become very popular these days. And what tools are used for this? How do we get this tool? How do we work with this tool? You have many questions. So, to answer this question, let's first talk about how to get VEO3 for free for 15 months in this video. There are many important points throughout the video, so I urge you to watch the entire video without skipping a single one. Also, I hope to add new videos to the channel with new AI tools and the latest technical information. So, my friends, subscribe to the channel and stay with this channel. If possible, support my journey by leaving a comment. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to the video. These 15 months of the free VEO3 package are still not available for some countries. So, we need to use a VPN for this. Also, we need to create a new email for this and do this work with that email. I am using Chrome browser for this. I would say it would be good if you were also using the Chrome browser. Okay, first let's create a new Chrome profile. Click on the Chrome icon like this. Now here is this adding button. If you have a newly created email, you can log in. Otherwise, you can proceed without an account and create an email later. Or you can log in with your existing email. Okay, I'll proceed without an account here, and proceed. You can give the profile a name of your choice. Okay, now this is our new profile. I'm now signed in with the new email I created earlier. So, sign in with a new email that you also have. Or create a new email and sign in. I think everyone knows. So, I'll not show you how to create a new email here. Okay, now you copy the student pack link in the description below this video. Now paste it here and enter. It says that we are not eligible to get this student pack. Okay, so how do we make this eligible? We need to go with an IP address from an eligible country. So, we need a VPN. Now let's see how to install a VPN. Okay, now let's go to a new tab, click on Web Store here. Now type VPN here, and select Urban VPN from the list that comes up. You can use any other VPN here. Okay, now click on Add to Chrome here. Next, click the extension. Now, VPN is downloading. You can check it here. Okay, VPN downloaded. Now you can check your VPN by clicking on the extension icon here. Now, when you click on this pin button here, this VPN will be displayed at the top here. Otherwise, you can click on the three dots here and go down to extensions here and manage the extension here and you can check the installed VPN. When you give this tick here, you can see VPN at the top. Okay, now click on VPN here and agree to it for the first time. Then you can click on Select United States here. Now you will see, this is connecting to a USA VPN. Okay, now this is connected to a USA VPN. Go back to the previous page and reload it. Yes, now that link works for us. So, this package is given to university students. 15 months free package. Otherwise, we have to take the 1-month free package. Okay, you can see some details here. Now let's verify that we are a student here. Now click on the button below and continue. Okay, asking for an email address. We need a student's email. If you already have a student email, you can provide it and continue. If you don't have one, you can create a student mail like this. Go to a new tab and search for student mail here. You can create a student mail from the sites that appear here. I will choose this website called TempuMail. Here you can fill in the CAPTCHA that appears and proceed. Go and give the mail a name and create it. Now you can check the mail you created. Now you copy the mail from here and go to the previous page and paste it. Now you have verified and requested a verification code. Now you return to your student mail and see the mail that came. Some are below here, or refresh it. Now you copy the verification code from here and paste it here on the previous page. Now submit and move on. Now you have verified yourself as a university student. Now you can add a card to this. When you say card, you have nothing to fear. No money will be charged. All you have to do is add an active card. So, if you have a debit card that does not have money, or if you have a card that is about to expire, you can add it without any fear. Otherwise, you have nothing to fear. There will be no charge for this. So now let's add a card. You need to fill in the exact details of your card here. When you click on the billing address, you will be asked for a zip code. Here we need to give a USA zip code. Go to that new tab. There, type the USA zip code and search. Now go to the site that comes up at the top. From here, you can get a USA zip code. Now go here and type a zip code together. Now save. If you have added the card correctly, you will get a page like this. Okay, now you have added your card. So, it says that my package will end on September 27, 2026. It also says that $19.99 will be charged from the next month, and you can cancel this package at any time. It also says that Google will notify you 7 days before the end of the package. I will tell you later in this video how to cancel this package or subscription. So, I request you to continue watching the video without skipping so that you don't miss anything. Okay, then we have nothing to worry about. Now let's subscribe and activate the package. Okay, now that we have the package activated, let's go to Gemini. Since we are in the profile of the relevant email, you can go directly to Gemini. Now let's see how to generate a video of this. When you go to the video tab here, you can see that this works with VEO 3. So, for this, I will give a simple prompt and go from here and generate it. Now the video is being generated. So, this is said to take 1 to 2 minutes. Until this video is generated, we have a tool that can generate another video from this account. Let's go to it. You go to a new tab and type Flow and search. Here, click on Flow and you can go to the Flow site. Now, create with Flow and go ahead. So, since you are on the same profile, AutoFlow will probably be logged in. If you don't log in like that, you can sign in with Google here and log into the Flow that uses the same Gemini email. You have a box like this for the first time. Now, only if you need these two can you tick them and click Next. Now go down and continue. Now you can go to a new project and generate a video in Flow. This Flow is better for me than Gemini. Since I have already generated a video of 100 credits, it is showing me here as 900 credits. Your credit may seem to be 1,000. In addition to Gemini per month, we can generate videos for 1,000 credits in Flow. So, this is not like Gemini, we have also been given the text-to-video and frame-to-video facility. But we can only generate with Gemini and Flow for a 16:9 aspect ratio. That means we cannot do things like 9:16 short videos. If we do that, we will have to crop the video and do it. Here you can choose from the settings. How many videos do you want to generate with one prompt? So always keep this one, or it will be which will waste credit. Also, we have been given 4 models to choose from to generate videos from here. VEO 2 Fast, VEO 3 Fast, VEO 2 Quality, VEO 3 Quality. So, in this case, audio is generated in VEO 3 Fast and VEO 3 Quality. VEO 2 Fast and VEO 2 Quality do not generate audio, so you can choose the model that suits you from here. So, I am currently going to select the VEO 3 Fast model and generate a video. I will give a simple prompt and generate it from here. Okay, now the video has started to be generated. That will also take between 1 and 2 minutes. So, let's watch a video generated in Gemini until this video is generated. Video in Gemini has now been generated. Let's download it and see it. You can download the video from here. Okay, the video has now been downloaded. Let's watch a video. Since I gave a simple prompt, it is a simple video that has been generated. You can give a good prompt and generate a good video. Okay, now let's go to the flow and watch video 1 that was generated. That video has also been generated, let's download it and watch it. Flow generates a 720p video. However, if we want it, we can also upscale it to full HD from here. Okay, I'll download this in the original size. So, this is also a simple prompt, so it's a simple video. So, you can generate some good videos by giving some good prompts. And do some other beautiful things.
First, go to the Chrome profile of the Gemini subscription. Open your Gemini. Now you have this icon, the gear icon. Click on Settings, and then click on Manage Subscription, and then click on Cancel Membership. Click on Cancel, and then you can click on this button. So that's the short and easy way.
So, friends, I think you must have gained some knowledge about how to set up Gemini and Flow and how to work with it. I hope to make a video with details on how to make videos using Gemini and Flow. So, you can watch videos about new AI tools and the latest online money making, as well as new technical information on this channel in the future. So, you can subscribe to the channel, click the bell button, and stay connected with my channel. And you can give me strength by giving a like and a comment. Then see you in another new video. Good luck to everyone.